What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV. Now let's get this straight out the way. Oh, sure, I still got clothes to put away. All right, either way, let's get this out the way. Y'all gonna see this Nike. I don't even know. It's not a Nike Tech, a Nike whatever hoodie. In the next 3 videos, I gotta film this. I'm filming all 3 of these videos the same day. I'm not editing in the same day, but I'm filming these 3 videos back to back to back like I used to, because I'm about to go away for like the holidays, but I still wanted to be able to get you guys these videos. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, whatever you gotta say. I'm gonna respond to all my comments. Make my holidays, make me keep working. So comment whatever you want. If you're new here, like I said, subscribe, like this video, comment, as well as check out the link below for my Instagram and the main channel. Those 2 links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. No further ado, you see the title, so you see we're about to go over. So let's get it. Alright, so off rip. See, I don't think I'm fronting. Here's the box. I didn't want to take it out. There's no point of slipping it, back and forth. So, Yeezy 350, Yeezy Boost, size 10, right there, with the Belugas. Yeah, that's what they call them, whatever. I don't know if this, like, the V2 was the V2 version. I don't know if the original was V2, whatever. Like I said, they re-dropping these, so y'all can't come at me, whatever. I copped. I'm waiting for my GS size to come. I won for the Foot Locker or Kids Foot Locker, whichever one, shipped to me option. So that GS size is on its way. So the men's 10, I won from a store pickup. So I did pick it up right here. You guys already know how Yeezy looks. Yeezy Boost 350, Adidas, made by Adidas, logo and all that good stuff. Size 10. Oh, shoot. All right, my bad. Luckily, I just cleaned my room, so dust that off. But here it is, size 10, Yeezy Boost 350, Belugas. It's all over the place. I always say nothing comes good from rushing anything. That's the box. Let's get into the shoe. Let's get the thumbnail. Bussin'. Boom. So off rip, y'all see the supply 350 right there on the side. Like I said, let me know in the comments, did you get a pair when it came out before, or did you have to wait until now? Shout out to the people I feel bad for, because they just came out of nowhere with these. That I felt bad, because what if you just bought this for resale and out of nowhere they just popped up? Because they just came out of nowhere. The hype just came around. They said, hey, we're dropping these again, re-dropping them, like how they re-dropped Jordans. But this just came out of nowhere. I know this has some type of hype behind it. I'm not going to lie, not to sound cocky or anything, but if they could make the breads drop the way they did it with these and the other Yeezys I copped, I wish they could, because then maybe I'll keep a pair. But it's so crazy how I got a size 10, which I think I would treat Yeezys like my Jordan 1s and just get a size half over, like my size, because I'm a 9.5 in some shoes. But I think in Yeezys, I wouldn't want a chance to go true to size. I feel like it's big shoe, so like it's a small shoe, so you have to get a little bigger. So I would get a 10. This is a size 10, like I said, so maybe I could fit them. Maybe I should try it on with brand new fresh socks, because then I can know going forward, hey, Yeezys are my size, a size 10. Or if it's too big, then I'll just go 9.5. I'm 9.5 or 9, depending on whatever. But I don't trust going for Yeezys, rare sneakers, to go for half shoes, because, yeah, I don't trust it. Got that Adidas smell inside. Like I said, you guys already know how this shoe looks. I'm just showing you my little review on them. I don't know, maybe I might hype into the hype of copping some Yeezys at some point for myself. I do have the black ones on its way in the men's sizes, but the other video, I do have a GS, which I'm going to film right after this. But, yeah, let me know if you guys grabbed the W on these, took a fat L, or what's the word on these? Are you copping for resale? You don't care. You just got to do it, because the holidays, you just got to pay that premium price. Or are you skipping them and saying F that? Besides F that, yeah, what else? Yeah, did you even want to go for these? Did you want to go, or did you pass on these? Let me know in the comments. Ladies, I do have a size 6 on its way, so let me know if you need that. This is a size 10. Whoever needs this, let me know in the comments. we could work out payment. I'll ship it to you, no problem. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, Yeezy Boosts, 350 Belugas. It's crazy because now that you guys see the channel, now y'all see I've been hitting Yeezys way more on this channel than I ever hit Yeezys in my life. So shout out to, you know, myself, and for me studying the business, the game, and for me be able to cop. So let me know what happened. Did you guys take a double or L in the comments? Did you skip? Did you go after these? Let me know. Just wanted to show you guys. Like I said, this is a redrop. I know they dropped a long time ago, but now it has more hype. So let me know what y'all think about these. And did you take a L or a W? That's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching, checking out the channel, checking out this vid. Happy holidays if you're watching this video first, second, third, whichever order y'all doing it. Happy holidays, and keep supporting. We on our way to New Year's. We going up, man. We're gonna be hitting 400 subs. Hopefully, I wish we hit 400 subs by the end of this month, but it's okay. We on our way to 400, and then we'll work our way to, you know, 1,000 next year for sure. So let's get it. Your boy Little Roy is out. I'll see you guys literally in the next video, which is the video I'm filming after this. So let's get right into it. I mean, not get into it, but let's get to the next video. See you guys on the flip side. Thank you for watching. Remember, go check out the main channel and also the Instagram. Those links will be down below. And your boy will call you later. Whatever that joke was. See you on the flip side.